Hi, welcome to this video on setting up a LAMP stack for DigitalOcean. I have other videos for Amazon EC2 as well as Linode. You can check out both those videos as well if you prefer to use those. So we're going to use LAMP, which stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. And so Linux is the operating system, Apache is the engine, MySQL is the database, and PHP is the backend scripting language. And so we're going to use DigitalOcean here. I've included a link in the description for a referral. Please use it. I think you get some free money if you use it. It also supports me. So please sign up using that if you haven't signed up for a DigitalOcean account. If not, log into your DigitalOcean account at digitalocean.com. Now that you've logged into your DigitalOcean account, go up to the very top. In the top right corner there is a Create Droplet button. Click that, and you should see this page. So we're going to go through the steps of setting up a DigitalOcean here. First, we're going to create a Ubuntu server 16.04. We're going to choose the cheapest size because you don't have that much volume. I'm going to pick Toronto because that's the closest spot to me. I can add an SSH key, but I don't have one. I can also give my droplet a name. I guess my droplet, and I'm going to press create. So as you can see, we now have our new droplet. All is good. It is on. We have our IP here. So if we go to that IP, it should load nothing. Nothing's installed. But the important thing is we've actually just received an email with specific details about how to log in for the very first time. So go over to your email and you should be able to see that. So as you can see, this is my email. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to need this password. I'm going to need this root, this IP. I actually just need the password. I'm just going to copy the password. Create a new document here. Copy the password into there. I'm just going to close my email now. And so now with my password, I'm going to log into my new server. So open up the terminal window. You can just type in terminal as well. If you're using Windows, use PuTTY. That's one option. I believe they now have the actual SSH client built into your command prompt, but I don't know for sure. So you want to type in SSH root at sign and then your IP address without the HTTPS or HTTP, and you want to hit enter. And it's going to ask if you want to continue connecting. You want to say yes, and it's going to ask for your password. Now this is the password that they gave you. You want to copy and paste that in, and then hit. It won't actually show, and you want to hit enter. And then so it asks for the password that they gave you again. You want to paste that in and hit enter. And now it's going to ask you for a brand new password. So I'm going to type in a password. Try to make it as secure as possible. And repeat it. No, the password's too simple. Oh, sweet. Okay, it worked. And I'm just typing clear. Try that again. And now, okay, so now we're all set up. So we don't actually have anything installed. We're just logged in for the very first time. So what we're going to first do is type in sudo apt-get update, which is going to update our server to anything new if it's there. And we're going to clear that. And next we're going to type in apt-get, sudo. We don't need to do it because we are root, but I'll do it for practice. And we're going to install Apache. Now we're going to install Apache 2, not Apache 1, just because Apache 2 is replaced the original Apache, but it's still Apache. And ask for yes or no by typing yes, Y, sorry. And it's done, so type clear and type in sudo apache 2ctl config test. which is now going to test your Apache configuration. And sudo systemctl restart Apache 2. And it's restarting and it's back. Sudo ufw app list. And those are all the available applications we want, and so we can see Apache's there. Next we're going to install MySQL, so sudo app get install MySQL server, and hit yes. And it's going to ask for a new password. I'm really sucking with these passwords today. You kidding me? There we go. Okay. And so MySQL is now set up, and that last one we're going to type in sudo apt-get php. Oh shoot, install php, and we're going to start installing PHP. And PHP 7. Typing clear, and we're going to do that again. So sudo, these are the additional requirements we need. So sudo apt-get install lib apache 2 mod php. Hit accept. And sudo apt-get install php mcrypt. And y. Clear that. And last but not least, sudo and apt-get install PHP MySQL. So we're typing clear. We're going to do sudo service Apache 2 restart. Sorry, not Apache restart. We're going to do systemctl restart. Completely typed that command wrong originally. And restarts, and then we're going to do sudo apt-get install php.cil. And that's all set up. So currently our LAMP stack is now set up. If we reopen, we should get the Apache beginning page. Yes, we do. Perfect. So in our next video, we're going to set up Git. As well, we're going to set up our actual configuration for a domain. So please subscribe to this video.